The diagram shows the area of 1 hectare and 1 acre drawn to scale. Which of these four areas is the biggest? We need to calculate or convert each of these to the number of square meters that each of these areas is. Now 200 meters by 200 meters, we have to do 200 times 200, is 40. 400 times 100, so 40,000 meters squared, that is. Now 2 hectares. 1 hectare is equivalent of 10,000 square meters. 10,000 square meters, looking at the diagram. So 2 hectares will be 20,000 square meters. 3 acres, since 1 acre is 63.6 meters squared, times 3 is approximately 190,000. So 19,000 meters squared. And then the last one is just easy, it's 30,000 square meters. You can see here that the biggest is actually A. It's important to think about this in terms of area, otherwise you might confuse yourself thinking of the dimensions of such a space. Writing out these answers in terms of the area it encloses is actually the best way to solve this question. The answer for this is A.